We're doing a little different video today with the Sugarloaf Stickerama. She's gonna do one. She's gonna do a mystery, so that could be anything. And what'd you get?
We
got something Avengers. It's Iron Man. And I'm gonna do the Secret Life of Pets. I hope I get the pig. I want the pig one. And might not be able to get it.
No, that one's jammed.
Oh, so I can't do Secret Life of Pets, unfortunately, because
it's jammed.
It's stuck, which means it's probably empty.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and do another mystery one. Really wanted that piggy, but it's
You never know.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got. Got some kind of tattoo. Oh, that's kind of pretty.
Flowers.
Alright. Well, guys, that was Stickerama. Really wanted a Secret Life of Pets, but this one is jammed. So we got an Iron Man sticker and a flower tattoo. Do we want anything out of these? Do you want a Dippin' Dot gumball?
Yeah, I might try that.
Give me one, too.
Okay.
Alright, so we got Dippin' Dot gumballs.
Yep.
I want the pink one.
Okay.
Alright. We got gumball machine and Stickerama. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.